Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change your title of your stream on OBS. So I'm streaming on Twitch right now because my Twitch account is connected with my OBS. So what I need to do is click on where it says dock at the top. Once I click on dock, I need to click on this option called stream information. Once I click on stream information, a box like this will appear on my screen. So once a box like this appears, as you guys can see, from over here I can change my title. So right now my title is empty, so what I need to do is enter a title, but in your case, if there is already a title, you can just remove it and write anything you want. So I'm just going to write random stream from me. So this is going to be my title. And over here, I can even give notification like, hey, come on, watch my live. So if I go live, my followers are going to get this notification. And I can even add tags over here and all these other stuff. But doesn't matter because today's video is on how to change your title. So this is the main box to change your title. And just click on done and wait for some time. And once you get this little green tick mark, it's basically done. If you don't get this green tick mark, make sure to check your internet. Most of the time the slow internet causes the problem. But once you get this green tick mark, you can just close this box, click on OK, and you can start streaming, and your stream will start with the new title. So that's how you guys can change your title of Twitch using OBS. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.